Oh, good. I think they're good. Most people can kind of see that I'm kind of blunt about things. I'm not trying to sell you a bunch of crap.
I'll refer to you as a straight shooter.
Oh, that's good. I like it. And you had all those little plug marks. And my scars turned out pretty good. So
oh, yeah. It's been a huge improvement.
Chin up a little bit. The worst part of this office is my photography skills. That looks pretty good. And so you're 2 years out from the first one. And
yes.
And almost a year out from the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Looks pretty good. That works. Holding on to your hair.